Sony, a renowned brand in the audio field, has solidified its position in the market for noise-canceling Bluetooth headphones with the WH series. The WH-1000XM5, the latest evolution of this range, is now well known among sound enthusiasts as it retains the elements that made its predecessors successful while making significant adjustments. This model has managed to stand out since its release. But how does this headset really hold up in an increasingly competitive market? Does it live up to Sony's reputation? And most importantly, how does it compare to its predecessor, the highly regarded WH-1000XM4? If this headset intrigues you, you'll find the link in the description to learn more and maybe even buy it. The Sony WH-1000XM5 marked a turning point in the design of the range. Unlike the previous model, this headset no longer folds for transport. This choice, while debated, allows Sony to offer a sleek and modern design. The thinner headband, without notches, gives the headset a premium look, while the ear cups connect to the headband via a single arm, reminiscent of a style similar to competitors like the Bose Headphone 700. In terms of comfort, the WH-1000XM5 is nearly flawless. The 6mm leather ear cups perfectly envelop the ears and provide good passive isolation. However, the thinner headband can cause slight discomfort at the top of the head during extended wear. For transport, Sony offers a soft, foldable case that still takes up more space than a traditional folding headset. Available in black or platinum silver, the WH-1000XM5 impresses with its modern lines and quality materials, although some may miss the absence of aluminum elements that gave an even more premium look to its predecessors. Sony has integrated technologies in this model, making it a benchmark for sound and noise-canceling enthusiasts. The WH-1000XM5 is equipped with new 30mm drivers, which are more compact but responsive thanks to their carbon fiber diaphragm. This results in deep bass, balanced mids, and well-defined highs. By default, the bass may seem a bit too prominent, but the Headphone Connect app allows you to adjust the equalization for a more neutral sound that suits your preferences. On noise-canceling side, Sony sets the bar very high with 8 microphones and 2 dedicated processors with HDQN1 chip and new V1. This headset excels at canceling out surrounding noises, human voices, and constant sounds like those from engines. It's ideal for travel environments. In terms of connectivity, the WH-1000XM5 offers Bluetooth 5.2 and supports SBC, AAC, and LDAC codecs. The multipoint function allows you to connect 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for switching between your computer and your phone with ease. The WH-1000XM5 is known for its simplicity and ergonomics. The touch controls, located on the right ear cup, allow you to control the volume, music, or pause with a gesture. Additionally, there are physical buttons on the left ear cup to manage noise cancellation. Thanks to the Headphone Connect app, you can customize the user experience. Features like Quick Attention, which lowers the volume when you place your hand on the ear cup, or Adaptive Sound Control, which automatically adjusts settings based on your environment, enhance the use of the headphones. These little details make a big difference. With a battery life of up to 30 hours with noise cancellation activated, the WH-1000XM5 is a reliable companion for long days. In case of need, 3 minutes of charging provides 3 hours of listening time via fast USB-C charging. Against competitors, Bose QC45 Apple AirPods Max, the WH-1000XM5 maintains an edge in several areas. Its noise cancellation remains one of the most effective on the market, and its rich, dynamic sound signature appeals to a wide audience. However, in terms of design and comfort, some might prefer the more ergonomic design of other models. Compared to the WH-1000XM4, the XM5 brings subtle improvements. The updated design, slight improvement in noise cancellation, and slightly refined sound quality are appreciated. However, the battery life is slightly lower and the launch price remains higher. For those who own a WH-1000XM4, the qualitative leap isn't obvious. The Sony WH-1000XM5 is a headset that excels in the WH series. It combines a revamped design, high-level sound performance, and active noise cancellation that ranks among the best on the market. However, the sacrifices on the foldable design and the higher price make it more of an evolution than a revolution. For those looking for a high-performing headset, the WH-1000XM5 is excellent. But if you already own a WH-1000XM4 or you're looking for a headset with better value, the XM4 remains a solid alternative. To learn more, the product link is in the description. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video if it was helpful, and of course, as always, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thank you for your attention. See you soon. Ciao ciao.